August 12, 2019. CSX train H70211 was getting ready to depart Columbus, Ohio with an engineer conductor that were called on duty at 9 o'clock p.m. the previous night, with his first stop, Carey, Ohio, to drop off 30 cars. The train consists of 109 loaded cars and 67 empties, with 30 of those 67 empties needed to be dropped off at Carey, Ohio, and 2 engines, CSX ES44AH number 736 and CSX ES44AH number 3107 acting as a mid-DPU. down the line was CSX train W31411. The train originated from Ottawa, Illinois. On its journey, the train tied down at Garrett, Indiana. And on August 12, 2019, an engineer and a conductor were both called on duty at 1:40 a.m. The train consists of 110 hoppers loaded with frac sand and 2 engines on the head end. CSX AC44CW number 477 and CSX ES44AH number 3005. As hours and minutes go by, everything seemed to be routine. Nothing out of the ordinary for now. Both trains were making great time, with the eastbound grain train making its way towards its destination, while the westbound train was arriving at Carey to do its work. And after dropping off the cars, H702 will have to wait into a siding at Carey toward the hopper train pass before the train can continue on westbound. However, for some reason, the train was not slowing down or stopping. In fact, the train was picking up speed. The locomotives, the crew, and the first cars of W314 managed to get into the siding just in time before the inevitable. H-702 sideswipes W314's cars at 5:09 a.m. The force from the impact causes the lead engine of H-702, CSX-736, to be flipped over on its side and plows a few hundred feet away from the siding. The two cars behind the engine were completely flipped over on their sides, spilling scrap metal all over the field. The third car in the process was almost flipped over on its side but remained upright. Multiple hoppers from W314 were both zigzag and went off the tracks. Thankfully, everyone survived from both trains, but they did suffer minor injuries, and the wrecking total was $4.9 million. An investigation was soon launched by the NTSB, or the National Transportation Safety Board. It was clear that the cause of the accident was signal past that danger. CSX H-702 ran past the stop signal instead of stopping. But here's the question though. Why did H-702 run past the stop signal? Blood and drug tests was performed on the engineer, and sure enough, the test came back positive, and alcohol and a little dose of marijuana was found in his system. And obviously, this was not the first time that drugs, alcohol, even marijuana for that matter, played a critical role in the accident, but those are different stories. Although the investigation ruled out that a little dose of marijuana played a critical role in the accident, but it was concluded that the engineer on H-702 feeling the effects of alcohol played a critical role in the accident. It was also discovered that this line was not equipped with PTC, or positive train control. If that line was equipped with PTC, then this collision would have been prevented. In the end, CSX 736 was taken out of service and has not been seen ever since. The other few locomotives were quickly put back into service. It's been 4 years since that collision occurred, and the one question that's in our minds, have we seen the last time that a train crash occurred due to alcohol and drug use? We will never know.